If you have been searching for the pro version of CapCut PC, you might be thinking to download a pirated or a cracked version. But I would not recommend doing it because it can put your PC at risk of malware. Instead, I'll show you 5 simple steps that can get you all the pro features of CapCut safely. Step number 1 is searching for the right version. First, open your browser and type CapCut up to down version 1.4 into the search bar and hit enter. Up to down is a decent website to download different softwares, but you can also run the downloaded files through an antivirus. I normally use VirusTotal if I download any file online. Step 2 is finding the correct link. When the search results pop up, click the link that says older versions of CapCut. Please make sure it is the right link to avoid downloading any wrong file. Step number 3 is downloading and installing CapCut on your PC. Once you are onto the up to down page, scroll down to find CapCut version 1.4.0.188. This is the version I am using and this is the version you would need. So please go ahead and download it on your PC. Then you can continue installing it and you are almost there. Step 4 and 5 apply only to those who are based out of India because we need a VPN to make CapCut work properly. But if you are outside India, you can simply go ahead and open CapCut and start using it normally. Now coming back to step number 4. Like I said, if you are based out of India, you would require a VPN. So please visit protonvpn.com, download ProtonVPN on your PC and install it. I would also recommend creating an account on ProtonVPN because it will be easy moving forward and you will also get some benefits after creating a free account. Step number 5 is connecting the VPN and start using CapCut. After you have installed ProtonVPN on your PC, please go ahead and open it, then connect it. ProtonVPN will choose the server automatically, but it also gives you an option to select from different free servers. When the VPN is connected, you can open CapCut and start using it normally. You now have access to pro features like effects, transitions and filters. But there are 2 important things that you need to keep in mind. Number 1 is that you will receive a pop-up about updating CapCut to the latest version, but don't do it. Simply close the box. Number 2 is also very important. So if you are based out of India, you need to keep the VPN connected all the time while using CapCut. Otherwise, most of the things that require internet like effects, filters and transitions won't work properly without a VPN. There's another important thing that I forgot to mention. So if you are using CapCut version 1.4, you won't be able to see some of the latest features, and that's one of the major drawbacks here. And that's all you need to do. If you face any issues, you can let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to reply. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.